Hi, you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new to my channel, I just want to tell you welcome and thank you very much for tuning in and clicking on this video. My name is Lori. So sit back. We're going to dig into some pretty cool stuff. It's that time of the month. It's BoxyCharm time. So I did get my premium. You guys just watched that video, I'm sure, and you gave it a thumbs up, right? Don't forget to give that thing a thumbs up. These are boxies. Anyhow, so without further ado, we're going to dig into the base box for October 2020. Please keep in mind, this is not my base box. This is my daughter's, and she does let me unbox here on my channel. So here we go. Box. It's the base box from BoxyCharm. In it, you will get a card. With that card, it's going to have a little something cool right here, and that is the theme for the month. The month of October is called Candy Shop. It also has a save the date, and that's for November 10th, which is the exclusive members only discounts in their online pop-up, which is where we get to go shop low prices and we get to pretty much help them clear out their inventory. She received she got 5 items, which is pretty normal for the base box, and her total came out to $132, which was the value of everything she has in this box. She got a pretty good box. I don't know what I have in my box yet because I have not received it, but what she got in her box, there's an item in here that I have already, but she got it. So I told her, hey, you know what? You're gonna love it. And anyway, nevertheless, her variation number is 21 for all of you diehards out there. And we're going to run through it pretty quick because I know you guys with the BoxyCharms don't like to wait and you have absolutely zero patience. So without a further ado, she got the Editor's Palette by Ciate London. You guys remember this one? You remember this one, right? That beautiful palette that absolutely performs like you would not believe. And don't worry about the prices of these items. They're always going to be right at the bottom of your screen, sideways. Who knows where it's going to be. But the price will be somewhere on the screen. Okay, you guys, is this jogging your memory? Remember this guy? I love it. I played with this one and I loved it. Beautiful looks. The one thing I love about Ciate London is this big, huge, gorgeous mirror. I did not have to have my handheld mirror when I was playing with this palette, and I love that about palettes. Right. Trying to take this thing. My favorite part. The protector. That's the sanitary protector. Does it have any names on them? No, it does not. But these are all of the gorgeous colors inside this palette. Man, there are some beautiful, beautiful colors in here. You have mattes, sparkles, glitters. I mean, they have everything from your base all the way to your whoosh, heading out the door. All right, let's keep moving on because eventually all this stuff is going to add up to 132 bucks. Next item on the list we have from Ace Beauty. It is the Dream It lip liners. There are 2 of them in here. She said I get to have one. And I'm trying to remember which one is mine. Oh my God, I didn't show you guys the box, did I? I'm just getting like totally... See, it's you diehards that love watching these BoxyCharm unboxings that have me moving like at lightning speed. So I'm going to slow down just a bit, okay? All right. Pardon me, the baby did bite on the end of this box. This is the Ace Beauty. These are the lip liners, the Dream It lip liner. And this is them. They're cute. They remind me of Barbie. Look at this. Yes, I did do my nails. They're new. So anyway, this is them, and I believe this is the one she said I get to have. This is the one she wants. This is the one I get to keep. And they're lip liners. So I love these colors. She loves more nudes. But there you go. Oh, let's see. Oh, here we go. Oh, they're crayon. I love crayon lip liners. I love crayon lip liners. So much more than pencils. think they go on smoother. They have a smoother formula, a more sleek, and if you do mess up, it's easier to wipe them off with a, you know, a cleaning, the cleaning towelettes. Makeup remover cloth. This is one she was excited about. This is, again, going 2 steps ahead of myself. This is by Sol Janeiro. And it is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupico Lip Butter. Ooh, look on the back. See, yep, that's what it looks like. It's cool. She didn't want me opening it up, but I had already taken it away from her and opened it up anyway. I just kind of went... I did. I just opened it up right in front of her. Excuse me. There it is. It's that cute little white cap. And here's the color. This is her. This is kind of reminds me of her. It's kind of, you know, that coral pink-ish, sorta. Does have a hint of their body, kind of like, you know, on the beach, cocoa butter type of smell. And then the Dose of Colors. This is the, what is this? This is her concealer, the one that she picked, and she chose the 13 Light Medium. Okay, this is her concealer. This is the one she chose. Ooh, it's light, but she does have porcelain colored skin, so. Yeah, this is pretty light. But she's very fair skinned. Doesn't get it from me and doesn't get it from her dad. Not sure where, well, when she's in the sun, she turns real dark, but naturally very light. Or maybe it's just her face. I don't know. She's real dark. I'm gonna take her down to Mexico and she turns like darker. She can get almost as dark as me. This comes from Luxy and it's the little brush set. Okay. I love, look at the rose gold on the zipper. See if it's nicely constructed. No, it's more of a plastic, aluminum, hollow feel to it. But it's a real pretty cute little bag. She was excited about these because of the color. Look at this blue. Look at, it's kind of like a purple, baby blue, lilac. I'd pick a color, any color, but pretty though. And I'm really starting to fall in love with brushes that are angled like this. I'm having a blast. Everybody was posting pictures of the Get Ready With Me on the pumpkin spice from Too Faced, the palette. And I have it. So after I watched about 5 videos, I said, you know what? I grabbed my palette and I sat down right there on my husband's side of the bed, turned the TV on, and I did my eyes. I did a look. I should have had this camera recording, because it was probably one of the most beautiful looks I've ever seen and ever played with. The formula from a palette that I've ever played with, that I was really, really impressed with. For $49.99 or 95 cents, that palette is worth it. I'll tell you that much right now. Hands down, probably one of the best palettes from Too Faced that I've used in a long, long time. Next to the gingerbread bear one. But anyway, that's it, you guys. That is variation 21 from BoxyCharm, the base box for October 2020. And the value comes in. Obviously, you're gonna see it right here, but it was $132 on the value. So, as for the prices of each of the items, every single time I showed you one, you should have seen a description of it and the price right next to it. So, I hope you guys have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you very much for tuning in to the BoxyCharm Base Box Candy Shop for October 2020. And I have one more box that came in today. It's Chic Beauty. So if you guys will hang out with me a little bit longer, I'm going to go ahead and get that recorded too. All right, you guys, have a good one. Bye, and I'll see ya in the next video.